Hey there, fellow investors. Are you ready to supercharge your financial future? Well, get ready, because today we're diving deep into the expert advice of the legendary Robert Kiyosaki. Join me as we explore his 7 investment assets that could potentially change your life. Robert Kiyosaki, the renowned entrepreneur and author of the groundbreaking book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has revolutionized the way we view wealth creation and investment strategies. Now, you might be asking yourself, what are these 7 investment assets that Kiyosaki recommends? Let's break them down, one asset at a time. Asset 1, real estate. First up, we have the tried and tested asset, real estate. According to Kiyosaki, investing in properties can provide both passive income through rentals and potential appreciation over time. Imagine having a stream of income flowing into your bank account while your property value increases. It's like a dream come true. Asset 2, small businesses. Now let's talk about small businesses. Kiyosaki believes that investing in entrepreneurial ventures, especially those that generate passive income, is a smart move. By becoming a business owner, you not only have control over your own destiny, but also have the potential to build a scalable asset that generates continuous cash flow. Asset 3, stocks and bonds. Investing in stocks and bonds may seem daunting, but Kiyosaki simplifies it for us. He advises focusing on long-term investments in companies that have a solid track record and offer dividends. By diversifying your portfolio and understanding the market, you can potentially build substantial wealth through this asset. Asset 4, intellectual property. Intellectual property is the next asset on Kiyosaki's list. This could include anything from patents to trademarks or even copyrighted works. By owning intellectual property, you can generate income through licensing agreements, potentially transforming your ideas into profitable assets without much effort. Asset 5, cryptocurrencies. Time to talk about the hot topic of the century, cryptocurrencies. Kiyosaki suggests that investing in digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum can offer high potential returns, as they operate outside the traditional banking system. However, be sure to educate yourself on this ever-evolving space and proceed with caution. Asset 6, commodities. Ready for something tangible? Kiyosaki advises looking into commodities like gold, silver, oil, or even agricultural products. These assets have historically maintained their value and can act as a hedge against inflation. Adding commodities to your investment portfolio can provide stability and protection against economic uncertainties. Asset 7, education. Last but certainly not least, we have the most important asset of all: education. According to Kiyosaki, developing your financial intelligence is crucial. By constantly learning and staying updated on new investment strategies and opportunities, you can adapt and make informed decisions in an ever-changing market. So there you have it, Robert Kiyosaki's 7 investment assets that could potentially transform your financial future. Remember, these assets offer diverse opportunities for creating wealth. But as with any investment, it's essential to do your due diligence and seek professional advice. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these investment assets today and take control of your financial destiny. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Let's make it happen together. Subscribe for more financial wisdom and success stories.